Right, how far did I get yesterday? Well, I got a long way and I'm really pleased with the finish, with what I got done. Got my pocket done, which came out really good. Absolutely thrilled with my pocket, and it is I definitely used an open-ended zip, not a double-ended zip. Don't know why I said that in the previous video. Same with this zip. It was an open-ended zip, not a double-ended zip. But anyway, so the zip's sewn and the pocket's done. The base is sewn on. I've sewn on the bottom of the base here. I've punched my holes for the feet. The feet are actually going to be cut down bullets, but I'm going to use silver ones, or cases I should say, bullet cases. I'm actually going to use silver ones, and that's because I've got silver keepers. So might as well have them matching. So I'll get 6 of them made, and they're just little ones, little things like that, which work out really well for feet. That's gold, don't want to use that. And yes, so basically everything worked out for me. The stitching these, the pockets, the zips, even the placements of these are going to work out perfect. I changed my mind on sewing them. I'm actually going to press stud them on. And I did do 4 little stitch holes here, which I will hand sew there, hand sew here, and then put rivets. Silver rivets. I just think it'll match the style of the bag. I did actually round all my edges as well. I did have them cut and block like, but when I sanded them and did the edges, I didn't like that look. I still have to do the edges a little bit more, but that's a good start. And I did all the edges of these as well. So these will sit on here nicely and have a really nice look. So I'm really pleased with those. Now, the thing I did do wrong was sewed the zip in, got really excited, like yay, then I went to tidy up as I always do. So I cut the end off, tidied it up, I'll put a little bit of glue on there, that'll get covered because that gets stitched on there, and then that gets stitched on there. So all you see basically is that's what that will be like, nice and tidy, nice and tidy. Okay, the point of doing this open-ended zip was to make it easy, to make 2 separate pieces. Open the zip up, right up, and then take it apart and then put it together again when I'm ready to actually do this. But I got so excited, tidied it up, I cut that off. So I can't actually open it right up. My stupid mistake, but that's okay because I can still go like that and I can still work my way around it and get it done. But it won't be anywhere near as easy as having 2 separate pieces, which was the whole point of this. I just got too excited and went to tidy up my areas, which I shouldn't have done. But that's a mistake. So if I make the bag again and I have to make it a slightly bigger size, it's not a mistake I'll make again. But great progress. I'll just show you the back side of it. Right, on the back, looks like this. So you've got my pockets nice and tidy, the zips in, and that's the bottom base part. So this part here actually gets hidden with one of these. So that gets on there, so you can't actually see that. And then we have another one for there as well. Where's the other piece? Here it is. So that goes on there, and then that goes there. So it is actually nice and tidy on the inside of the bag. When we turn it over, let's turn it over, it stays nice and tidy because that will go there, that will go there, nice tidy end, that will go there, and that will go there. So it hides any like the opening that I've done or anything that might look untidy. So really pleased with that. It's come out really well. Next step will be to bring this around and stitch it on here. The feet I can always add later because when they're made out of these, they get screwed on, which I can do even once the bag is finished. I can do that. So that's not a necessarily have to finish that straight away process. But yes, so next step will be it will be to sew these 2 on, rivet these on, Then it will be to bring that round, because it'd be easier, definitely. And then I would have to do those. Then it's up to the hand stitching. So not a lot of work to do. I suppose the hand stitching will take forever, but progress is fantastic. I'm really, really pleased. I'll show you the next step when it's ready. Pattern by Creative Owl. I've put a link in the description area.